I've spent weeks analyzing real owner reviews, forum discussions, and comparing specs across dozens of models. Whether you're hauling equipment for work, protecting your gear on road trips, or just want that sleek, finished look, there's a Tyger cover on this list that's perfect for your needs and budget. All the product links and current prices? They're in the description below. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Tyger Auto T4 Flip-Up Low-Profile Hard Alloy Tonneau Cover. Starting strong with Tyger's newest innovation, the T4 Flip-Up is a game-changer if you need maximum versatility. This isn't your typical trifold. The T4 features a 4-fold design with slimmer quad panels, which means you're getting more usable bed space compared to traditional 3-panel covers. The construction is where Tyger really shows off. We're talking aircraft-grade aluminum panels with a reinforced frame and weather-seal raised side rails that sit flush with your bed. This creates that clean, low-profile look while actually improving your aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The pinch latches come with integrated cable locks for security, and installation requires zero drilling. Now, here's what you need to know before buying. This premium design comes with a premium price tag, typically ranging from $400 to $600, depending on your truck model. That's significantly more than Tyger's soft covers. But here's the thing. You're getting a cover that's built specifically for 2024 to 2026 Toyota Tacoma models, so the fitment is absolutely precise. Installation takes about 30 to 45 minutes for most people. You'll need basic hand tools, nothing specialized. The cover works with most bed accessories, though you'll want to verify compatibility with any existing Tonneau systems. Check the link in the description for current pricing and to confirm fitment for your specific truck model. Number 2. Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. If you want proven reliability without breaking the bank, the T1 Soft Roll-Up is where it's at. This cover has been battle-tested by thousands of truck owners, and forum discussions are filled with people reporting 2 to 3 years of solid use, even in brutal weather conditions. The secret is in the material, 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl with dual coating. This isn't the cheap stuff that cracks after one summer. The cover includes built-in horizontal crossbars that provide support when it's laid flat, so you're not dealing with sagging in the middle of your bed. When you need full bed access, the quick-release system lets you roll up the entire cover and lock it at the back of your cab. We're talking complete, unobstructed access to your entire truck bed. And when it's closed, the adjustable tension system keeps everything tight and wrinkle-free, which is crucial for maintaining that weather seal. Real owners consistently report no leaks during heavy rain when properly installed. Installation typically takes 15 to 20 minutes, and that's coming from people who've never installed a tonneau cover before. You're looking at around $180 to $200, which is honestly incredible value. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and about a 10mm socket. That's it. The cover is compatible with most bed liners and bed rails, though over-the-rail bed liners might require additional spacers. Link is in the description for the latest deals. Number 3. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. The T3 hits that sweet spot between convenience and affordability. One Honda Ridgeline owner put it perfectly when they said they were pleasantly surprised at $225, noting the sleek look, zero noise at highway speeds, and how easy it was to remove and store. What sets the T3 apart is the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars that fold up with the cover. This means you can access your entire bed in seconds without removing anything. The trifold design also gives you partial access, so if you just need to grab something from the front of the bed, you can fold back one panel instead of the whole cover. Installation is ridiculously simple. We're talking 5 to 10 minutes with a basic clamp and latch system, no drilling required. The construction uses the same 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl as the T1, but paired with aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps for durability. Now, the consideration here is that trifolds don't roll as tightly as roll-up covers when opened. When you fold all 3 panels back, you're losing about 10 inches of bed space at the cab. If you frequently haul longer items that need every inch of your bed, this might be something to think about. The T3 works with most 2024 to 2025 truck models and plays nice with most bed accessories. Price typically ranges from $225 to $250, making it extremely competitive in the trifold category. Check the description for truck-specific models and current pricing. Number 4. Tyger Auto T5 Alloy Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. When you need maximum security and durability, the T5 is the heavy hitter. One Jeep Gladiator owner reported 2 years of solid performance and casually mentioned, "You can stand on it with no problem." That's not an exaggeration. This cover features a honeycomb structure with aluminum panels sandwiching thick polycarbonate polymers, rated for 500 pounds of distributed weight. That construction means you can pile snow on it in winter, lean on it while loading cargo, or even set up a rooftop tent attachment with the right mounting system. The unique quick-release clamping system provides both a weather-tight seal and serious theft protection. The textured black coating gives it that professional, factory-installed appearance. The T5 comes pre-assembled, so installation is straightforward, despite being a hard cover. You're looking at about 30 to 45 minutes without drilling into your truck. The panels fold independently, giving you flexible bed access, and when closed, it's flush with the bed rails for that sleek profile. Weather protection is outstanding. The rubber seals and tight clamping system mean virtually no water intrusion, even in heavy storms. The aluminum construction won't crack or fade like some plastic hardcovers do after years in the sun. The T5 ranges from $479 to $699 depending on your truck model, and it comes with a 5-year no-hassle warranty. That warranty alone tells you about the build quality Tyger is putting into this product. Number 5. Tyger Auto T2 Low-Profile Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. And rounding out our list is the T2 Low Profile, and this one is special for people who care about aesthetics and fuel efficiency. The ultra-low profile design means the cover rails extend over your bed space, but stay incredibly sleek. This actually enables full use of your bed rail surface and stake pockets for mounting additional accessories. A Hawaii owner reported that even with constant sun exposure, the T2 stays tight as a drum. That double-layer marine vinyl is both tear-resistant and UV-resistant, maintaining its appearance over years of use. And here's something backed by testing. The aerodynamic design offers up to 13% gas savings. Over time, especially if you do a lot of highway driving, that actually helps offset the cover cost. The consideration with the T2 is that while the low profile looks fantastic, it means the cover rails sit slightly wider than some other designs. If you have aftermarket bed rails or certain toolbox configurations, you'll want to double-check compatibility before ordering. Most standard setups work perfectly fine, but it's worth verifying. Price ranges from $200 to $250, which puts it in the mid-range for soft covers, but with premium features. It's available for most major truck models, including Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Dodge Ram, and Nissan Frontier. All specific model links are in the description, so you can grab the right fit for your truck. Those are the 5 best Tyger tonneau covers you can buy right now. From the versatile T4 quad fold to the budget-friendly T1 roll-up, there's something here for every need and price point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.